Alright guys, welcome back again to Orange Track Outlaws. It is race night, and today we are going to find out what is the fastest Hot Wheels ID car from the first series. I have just about every one except for the two cars that come in the bigger race set. I don't have those yet. I've got everything else. And we are going to find out how fast they are, which one's the fastest. I got all these guys set up here, ready to go. Haven't seen any videos on this, on the fastest Hot Wheels ID. Nobody's racing them. I wanted to know how fast they were, so we are going to find out. I'm going to line these bad boys up. We're going to do... I got 10 races set up here, 52 cars I believe, so we're going to do 7 races of 5 and 3 races of 6, and we'll get our top 10, and then we'll do 2 races of 5, we'll get our top 2, and we'll find out who the winner is. So I'll shut up and get these lined up, and let's get to racing. See you in a minute. Okay, race 1 is up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Motosaurus. Lane 2, we got the Back to the Future DeLorean. In lane 3, we got the Jaguar F-Type. In lane 4, we got the 2015 Mustang. In lane 5, we got the Highway Hauler. Alright, race 1, Hot Wheels ID, fastest car. Who do you like? I think I'm going to go with the red Mustang. Let's race. Okay, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it was the red Mustang. Nice.
Lane 4.
1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, race 2, up and ready. In lane 1, got the Arachnorod. In lane 2, we got the Dark Knight Batmobile. In lane 3, we got the Howlin' Heat. In lane 4, we got the Justice League Batmobile. In lane 5, we got the Mach Speeder. What do we like here? I think I'm going to go with the big one in lane 1, Arachnorod. Let's find out. Let's race. Okay, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Arachnorod by a lot.
Winner, lane 1.
Race 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Arachnorod by a lot. Okay, here we go. Race 3, ready to go. Lane 1, the Rally Finale. Lane 2, the GT Hunter. Lane 3, we got the 70 Ford Escort. Lane 4, we got the Aston Martin 177. In lane 5, we got the 70 Dodge Charger. What do we like here, guys? I'm going with that big Charger. Looks heavy. Let's race. Okay, race 3. 3, 2, 1. Charger. Oh, Charger got it.
Winner, lane 5.
3, 2, 1. Charger. Oh, Charger got it. Okay, race 4, up and ready. Lane 1, we got the Shark Hammer. Lane 2, we got the BMW i8 Roadster. Lane 3, got the Pagani Huayra. Lane 4, got the Lamborghini Miura. And lane 5, we got the Arkham Knight Batmobile. Okay, what do we like here? I think I'm going to go with that gold Lambo, lane 4. Let's race. Okay, race 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that BMW.
Winner, lane 2.
Okay, race 5's up. In lane 1, got the Jaguar I-Pace. Lane 2, we got the Corvette C7R. Lane 3, we got the Super Blitzen. In lane 4, we got the Time-A-Taxi. And lane 5, we got the Mystery Machine. What do we like here? What do we like? I'm gonna go lane 2, Corvette. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay, race 5. 3, 2, 1. Wow. They were way out there.
Winner, lane 1.
3, 2, 1. Wow. They were way out there. Okay, race 6. Lane 1, we got the Jurassic Park Jeep. In lane 2, we got the Nightburner. In lane 3, we got the Tesla Model S. Lane 4, we got the Audi R8. In lane 5, we got the Jeep Express. I think I'm gonna go lane 2 with that fancy green Nightburner. Let's race. Okay, race 6. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that Jeep! Wow!
Winner, lane 1.
3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that Jeep! Okay, race 7. Lane 1. We got the Volkswagen T1 GTR. Lane 2, we got the TV series Batmobile. In lane 3, we got the Mercedes AMG GT. In lane 4, we got the Roger Dodger. In lane 5, we got another Batmobile. There we go, race 7. Who you like? I think I'm gonna go with the TV series Batmobile. That's my pick. Lane 2. Let's race. Okay, race 7. 3, 2, 1. Batmobile's out big! Wow!
Winner, lane 5.
Batmobile's out big!
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, here we go, race 8. Lane 1, we got another GT Hunter. Lane 2, we got the Night Shifter. Lane 3, we got the Mod Rod. In lane 4, we got the Twin Mill. In lane 5, we got the Scorpedo. In lane 6, we got the Fiat 500. What are you going for here? I'm going to go lane 2 with the Night Shifter. Okay, let's race. Okay, race 8. 3, 2, 1. Night Shifter's out big. Nice.
Winner, lane 2.
3, 2, 1. Night Shifter's out big. Okay, race 9's up and ready. In lane 1, we got the 69 Corvette Racer. In lane 2, we got the Solid Muscle. In lane 3, we got the Nissan GTR. In lane 4, we got the SRT Viper. In lane 5, we got the 2015 Charger SRT. In lane 6, we got the Bone Shaker. A lot of good looking cars in this one. A lot of fast looking ones. I think I'm going to go with lane 5 with the Charger SRT. Let's race. Okay, race 9. 3, 2, 1. Charger's out. Winner, winner.
Winner, lane 5.
Charger's out. Winner, winner.
Winner, lane 5.
Okay, race 10, ready to go. In lane 1, we got Darth Vader. In lane 2, the 2018 Camaro. In lane 3, we got Kit from Knight Rider. In lane 4, we got another twin mill. Lane 5, we got the oval drive race car. In lane 6, we got the Hot Wheels HW50. Another good looking group. I don't know who to pick. Kit? Everybody's going to pick Kit. I'm going to go with Darth Vader. Lane 1, let's race. Okay, race 10. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Vader's stuck in. Oh, no, lane 2. Smoked him. Camaro. Oh, Vader's stuck in. Oh, lane 2. Smoked him. Okay, semifinals, race 1. Here we go. In lane 1, we got the Arachnarod. In lane 2, the BMW Roadster. In lane 3, we got the Night Shifter. Lane 4, the 2018 Camaro. And lane 5, the 1970 Dodge Charger. This should be a good race. A lot of fast ones here. I don't know who to pick. I'm going to go with lane 3, the Night Shifter. It made a fast run last time. Let's race. Okay, semifinals, race 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, good race. Arachnarod got it.
Winner! Lane 1! Winner! Lane 1!
Okay, semifinals, race 2. Lane 1, we got the Jaguar I-Pace Trophy. Lane 2, we got the Jurassic Park Jeep. Lane 3, 2015 Mustang. Lane 4, we got the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. And lane 5, we got the Batmobile. I don't know who we like here. That Charger SRT did me right last time. I'm going to go with that. Lane 4. Let's race. Semifinals, race 2. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Dodge Charger's up. Oh, the Jaguar got it.
Winner! Lane 1! Winner! Lane 1!
Okay, finals race. Fastest Hot Wheels ID of the Series 1. We got lane 1, the Jaguar I-Pace Trophy. And lane 2, we got the Arachnarod. Two fast ones. I don't know who to pick. I think I'm gonna go lane 1. I'm gonna go with the Jaguar. Let's race. Okay, finals race. 3, 2, 1. Close race. Oh, lane 1. Jaguar. Close race. Oh, lane 1. Okay, here you have it. Our fastest Hot Wheels ID, Series 1. We got the Jaguar I-Pace Trophy car. That was a pretty fun race. I always wondered how fast them cars are. A couple of them seem pretty quick. Some of them don't seem all that quick. I'm not quite sure these are the racing kind of cars. I don't think they're going to be able to break the top 100 here, but I'm going to go ahead and see how fast they are in the Hot Wheels ID app. I'm going to try to add that here to the end of this video so you can see at least what the Hot Wheels ID app says their speed is. I also have another speed gauge that goes in line with the track. I'm going to run this down it, and I'll show you that, and I'm going to run it down with our fastest car, the Ferrari F40, and just see how much faster that thing is than this. But other than that, stay tuned here for a little bit of extra, and thanks for watching. See you. Okay, so we got this Hot Wheels speed trap here. I'm going to start off with our runner up, the Arachnarod, run it down here and see how fast this thing says that's going to go. So we've got our Arachnarod set up. We're going to let her rip. That thing going 356 miles an hour, it says. We're going to move on to the Jaguar. See you in a minute. Okay, here's the Jaguar. We'll see how fast it goes. Ready? Go. 367, it says. Just a little faster. Now we're going to put the Ferrari F40 down here and see if it can beat 367. Okay, we got our Ferrari F40 lined up. We're going to try and see how fast this thing goes, see if it can beat that Jaguar. Here we go. Ready? Go. Oh, 367. I think that's just the same speed as the Jaguar. So, Jaguar is actually pretty quick. So I ran all the cars down on the Hot Wheels ID app. So here's a listing of what the app says, how fast these are all going. A little bit different, actually a lot different than that other speed toy I was using, but there's some pretty good speeds here. There's a couple fast cars, a couple duds, but anyway, I want to thank you guys again for checking the video out, and look for some more races coming. See you later.